In today's lesson, we're going to add mixed numbers following lesson 56's steps: shape, operate, simplify, and the format that we learned. If this looks familiar, right? Does this all look familiar when we were adding fractions? Let's do it with mixed numbers now. What's a mixed number? How's that different from a fraction? Like this. You have a whole number next to a fraction. And normally we said add your whole numbers, add your fractions, shape them if you need to, then operate and simplify. I set them up vertically so we could follow the new format we've been learning. What if, instead of adding my whole numbers, I just go straight to shaping my denominators for the fraction. Oops. Then we'll worry about the whole numbers second instead. Okay, I multiplied by these two equivalents of 1 so that I get sixths for both denominators. Just like we did when there was no whole number. Right? Just like we did here. Then I'll show step 2, operate. We're going to add vertically, right? 3 plus 4 was 7 over 6. Let's call that 1 1/6 quick. You don't have to do it exactly this order, but you could have added the whole numbers, then added this. But what if we add this, then we look at what whole numbers we have and go 1, 2, 3. Right? I'm just adding these whole numbers with what I got from the fractions. 1 plus 2 plus 1 1/6 equals 4 1/6. I did this shape simplifying first, then I added things together. What do you think about that? Let's do one more together here so you can feel confident, and you can always go back to these videos and see things done for you firsthand. Let's do F because it looks like it's probably the most complicated. 7 1/2 plus 4 5/8. Seven and a half plus 4 5/8. I like these. This is fun math. And we're just adding today, no subtract. I didn't follow my red color this time. But let's see if we can get our common denominators first. I don't actually need to multiply by anything. I can already tell that 8 can stay because I know my LCMs. And I know that 2 will make it to 8 because the rules of divisibility say if it's an even number, 2 goes into it. How many times? 4. So 4 on top. Does 4/8 equal 1/2? Yep. Leave it. We don't want to simplify anything right now because now we want to add our fractions. Getting 9/8. Oh, this isn't so bad. It's kind of like the ones we've been doing. Simplify to 1 1/8. Then toss these whole numbers into the equation. Add up everything I've got circled here. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12, and the 1/8. So reference this to help you. Remember to simplify and not leave anything improper, please. Thank you.